Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys, Ka-Senior. Today guys, I will recondition the bike of my daughter, maybe 15 years old bike, Freewheel single speed mini mountain bike. That was maybe when she was 7 years old. Now she's 22 years old already guys, so maybe 15 years old bike. So I will restore and recondition now. I will install only rear handbrake, only one guys. I don't want to install in the front handbrake, only rear. So just I bought this one and I will install now so that I can use the bike guys for exercise. Follow me in my recondition, restoration, reuse an old Freewheel single speed bike. This one guys, you see guys, the saddle is already cracked, and you see the rear brake guys, it's already cut, no more. The rear sprocket guys is very rusty. The rim also guys, the rim is very rusty also, maybe I can repaint. And the chain ring also guys, the chain is very rusty, maybe I can clean. I will reuse this one guys. I know, no need to buy new, only this. Also this chain ring, maybe I will apply already grease for this one guys, for this crank hub. Now the crossbar guys, you see guys, this crossbar is the sticker is already scratched, and you see I will remove the sticker. Then you see guys, the front brake handbrake is already cut also. No need to install front, only I buy only one for the rear handbrake guys. The fork, maybe I can repaint this one, so I will clean the hub, front hub, the spokes, the rim, maybe I can repaint the rim, it's too much rusty. And the handlebar, this one guys is okay, I can repaint, maybe can repaint. So okay guys, just follow me my reconditioning and restoration guys of this single speed mini mountain bike of my daughter guys.
You are the one, girl, and you know that it's true.
Hello guys, the crank and the chain ring guys, I will not remove. The clearance guys is still okay, there is no wobbling, so I will repaint only here guys. The handle guys is still okay, no need to remove guys. The clearance is still okay, so no need to remove. Only I will remove this one guys, this front caliper brake. I will remove only this, then repaint. Okay guys, no need to overhaul all because this is not totally damaged guys. The chain is okay, still okay guys. I will clean this one guys.
go. Did you know that it's true? I'm feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you.
I will paint now, guys. It's ready for painting, guys. See me?
Stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. But how would you feel?
So, guys, it's already clean, guys. Kasi nyo, now ready for painting. It's dry already, guys. Okay, guys, we will paint now. Hello guys, we're done guys. We're done our repair and I installed already this caliper handbrake guys. See guys, I painted already the rim only guys, the rim. This is a slight restoration project. I clean guys. I fix some. You see guys, the chin now guys is okay. The chain ring guys is okay. This is a single speed guys bike, mini mountain bike. I will test now guys.
Tell me that you love me too. You are the one, girl. And you know that it's true. I'm feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you.
Thank you for watching guys. Our project is done. For those who are new in my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be informed for my new videos. Thank you guys, and God bless.
If I told you I loved you,